from making yourself look like a distinguished gentleman to the baddest potato anyone will ever eat, we are looking at StreamerFog. We will be looking at StreamerFog. What basically does is Snapchat lenses for your stream. It does a lot of other things too, like alerts, integration with Streamr.bot and StreamerDeck, voice mod, and more to come. Integrated tools like telling people when you go live, and also making it so that way channel point redemptions could be used to change your filter, like making me into a sloth 24/7. Right. In this video, we're going to be covering how to install StreamerFog and the common problems I've seen based off of their Discord and personal use. Now, easy enough, as long as you go to app.streamerfog.com/login, link is down in the description, you then can install what StreamerFog is. Virtual camera supports all apps, including Discord, Zoom, Meld. You can download it for Windows, or you continue with legacy browser mode, which makes it so that way the virtual camera feature will be able to be used via a browser source, not an actual app that you have to download. Once you have it ready and downloaded, it's going to look a little bit like this when you first pop it up. Now, with this, we will want to do OBS, okay? So I want to make sure that everyone knows that I'll be using OBS for all of these features, just a heads up. Now, we have to set it up for OBS for the first part. So we'll go to Setup right here. Pretty straightforward, 4 simple steps. Choose virtual camera. Make sure your camera is not being used in any app. Choose the fog. Choose StreamerFog virtual camera in OBS, Zoom, etc. You can close this app. It will stay active in the system tray. Pretty simple, 4 steps. There's 3 places that you want to add your camera. Right here, virtual camera settings, camera source. Make sure you add whatever camera you're going to be using. Down here is also going to be where you want to add what camera you're going to be using. And under AR effects on this left-hand side, when you do the camera preview, it's going to be right here to make sure that, yes, it is going to be the camera that you're using. Down here, if you click this, you can link your Twitch account straight to StreamerFog. And this is the homepage that you'll be kind of featured with right here. Going into the installation, you'll have the camera preview open. It does say in big bold letters, hide preview before using in OBS Discord. Now, there's a white square here, and that's because I'm using this in my OBS. Let's switch that up a little bit. Okay, so I have it set up basically how it's going to be working. Make sure all your camera sources are good. Then what we're going to do is that we can actually reset camera, okay? You want to make sure that your camera is active right here on the main screen, which is not for me, and I'm going to figure out why. Okay, so make sure that you have your view camera here. If your view camera is not here and you saw that white screen, the reason being, and this is tip number 1, reason being is in OBS right here, I have my actual video capture device, okay? That's my main cam, and my main cam right now is going to be that StreamerFog virtual camera. Anything related to this right here, the camera source, or the camera, or any other camera setting you have in this StreamerFog right here, you need to make sure is either deactivated in OBS. So I'll open it again. Basically, go into your video camera and deactivate it, or you have multiple instances of it up here. And I'll show you what that means. So if we add, hypothetically, say, we're going to add my side camera, which currently my side camera is going to be the Emit Smart Cam. Okay, it's not showing up right now, but it's showing up right here in this. You can kind of see where that's already going, right? So hypothetically, if we have the smart cam right here, then it would be or the side cam. We can deactivate it, reactivate it. We can do a whole bunch of stuff. It won't pop up, but if you hide the preview, deactivate it, reactivate it, it pops up now. And you can see it's on here. But if we go back into StreamerFog, it's basically saying, hey, by the way, your camera is being used somewhere else, okay? A lot of information, but that was something I ran into so many times, is that no matter what, you need to make sure you deactivate everything that resembles your main camera. Your display, your main camera is on active for StreamerFog. And I hide my side camera because I don't ever use it anymore, or my second camera or my main camera. When it comes to you guys, how it would be hypothetical would be if we sat there and said, hey, I'm going to install this to an already made scenes and sources. I'm going to just install it, see what happens. It's a big thing of exiting out OBS, exiting out of StreamFog, opening up StreamFog, opening up OBS. It's a lot of little different things. And I have it written down, so I'll describe it to you right now of how I wrote it, okay? StreamFog, open up OBS, deactivate whatever your main camera is that you used to do, hide your main camera that you used to have, close OBS, close the camera preview on your StreamerFog, and then reset camera in StreamerFog as well. Open OBS, and you should be good. A lot of steps. All down description, just so you know. And if for whatever reason you continue to have issues, okay, for whatever reason, they do have a I need help program right here in their Discord. It's an I need help, and everything, they've been constantly helping people no matter what. And these are where I'm going to get most of my questions are, hey, I'm going to be using their Discord and be like, hey, let's see what questions I can't answer. So the main issue that I'm finding with people installing it is going to be not being able to use their camera, or they're having their camera used. How is it described? It's camera being used by other application, and that's going to be what's showing up here in this OBS. And that's pretty much the completion of what installation on this looks like. Now you can go into it, and while on stream, you can have deal with it pop up. You can have it on constantly. You can become a potato. Okay, we have the green screen effect. Okay, and that's something I actually want to bring up next. Under your video camera device that you have for StreamerFog, right? And we're actually, I've been meaning to do this forever. Okay, it's probably pissing all of you guys off. StreamerFog. Basically, right click and go into filters. You can open up your chroma key, and now when we do the potato filter, you can see a little bit of a greens on like around the edges, right? This is probably the bad one here. Let's do funny pickle because it's a funny freaking pickle, guys. So we have this right here, which is going to be your funny pickle. You can, as you can see right here, and you can just chroma key it to green. I have mine set so that my similarities are a little bit off for it. Let's pop it down. I just want to make sure it's not hella transparent. Yep, perfect. So we just want to make sure that we can get around pretty easily. I'm just moving back and forth like I did earlier. You can probably hear it in the microphone. But for the most part, it tracks me fairly well, and it tracks me to a certain degree, right? Now, if for a reason I wanted to go live right now, basically it would be me on the bottom right-hand corner right here, going around doing this. And there's a lot of cool things that we'll get into later episodes when they get released that basically are like, hey, by the way, right now, today, I know what I did was I did it so that way I have it linked with my Streamr.bot right over here. You can go into any integration, and it's fairly simple. Streamr.bot is right here. You do your UDP broadcast sub action, You have it right here, sub action, add core network, UDP broadcast. So this is your port, generate payload, and test your action. This is your payload for all of your you make sure you favorite all of your the ones that you want for your AR lenses. Favoriting is basically going up here, and there's a little star right here that you can click or unclick. Integration, Streamr.bot, and basically it tells you also that you can remove the lens pretty simply, okay? Now, some AR lenses basically make it so that way if you cover your face, it reveals your camera. If you cover your face, then as you can see, it gets rid of the lens, and there's just no lens at all, and then undoing it will pop it back up. So you don't have to worry about whether you're a VTuber or something, or want to be the next burnt peanut, that that you get exposed, basically. There's a bunch of other integrations. StreamerDeck, Twitch extensions, voice mod, Lumia stream, so many that you can do that I haven't even set up yet. Under tools, you can announce your stream, and we'll get into that next episode as well. And you can also use AR alerts and use your regular alerts as well to configure and make it so that way you can have your OBS get copied, enable regular alerts, and you can use your videos or whatever. And it gives you a different couple options. And we'll go into that a little bit later as well. But that's the basic of, hey, you have it installed. If you have any questions, or hey, the step-by-step didn't really work and the help didn't really work, what can I do next? Make sure to pop it down in my description, and we'll help you. If for whatever reason, because Snapchat TOS it does integrate directly with Snapchat TOS, if for whatever reason you cannot click the I agree on Discord or on OBS, that's something else that I came into a lot, press TOS Snapchat and just press agree. This right here will be either within your webcam frame, or it's going to be on your OBS directly. You can't press it. Just press that and press agree, and it should be smooth sailing from there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me why I could have done better. Tell me why I could have done worse. Share this with any of your friends that you want to maybe do this on Discord with. There's a bunch of different things you can do. I've been using it in Discord a lot. I've been using it in X, Y, Z. However you want to use it, however you're going to use it. Just make sure that you have everything done, and we'll see what happens. If for whatever reason it's still not working, shoot me a little DM on Discord. That's in the description, or join the Discord of StreamerFog. That's also going to be in the description. Or if you just download the app, press right here, and you can open their Discord. And make sure that you tell them that Freak Weasel sent you. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.